Hi boys and girls, and welcome back to our third activity today, which is making a Scottish flag. Now, I don't know if you can see here, I have all my equipment I need. I have my coloured pens. You can use pencils or paint, it is entirely up to you. I have a normal pencil. I have a blue highlighter in case my other pen just doesn't go fast enough. And I have my card. Now for this, boys and girls, you will also need a ruler, but don't worry if you don't have a ruler, because I have got an old birthday card that I'm going to use instead, because I've not got one either. Okay, let's get started. Okay boys and girls, so I hope you're all ready to draw our Scottish flag. So it is time for step 1. We have to draw the crosses, and in order to draw the crosses, boys and girls, we need to draw 2 triangles at the side of the page. So one on one side and one on the other. Now to draw your triangle, boys and girls, you're going to mark out a little dot in the middle of the page, just off to the side, where you would like your triangle to meet. And that is to help you keep it nice and even and in line. So you're going to draw just a little dot at the side of each page in the middle for the tip of the triangle. And from there, boys and girls, all we need to do is take our ruler or our card just off the corner of the page and add in the lines to draw your first triangle. So you do that on both sides of the triangle to finish it off, and then you do it on the other side of the paper. And that, boys and girls, is the first part to drawing our crosses. So now it is time to draw the second part of our crosses, and that means we need to draw 2 more triangles, but this time it comes at the top of the page and at the bottom of the page. So just like you did before, you're going to add your dot, you're going to draw your 2 triangles, and that, boys and girls, is how we get our crosses. Okay, so it is now time for step 2. So what we need to do now is grab our blue pen, pencil or paint, and we have to go around the edges of our triangles and then colour in all the triangles nice and blue to look like a nice blue Scottish flag. Well, boys and girls, I hope you all enjoyed making our beautiful Scottish flags with me. Now, I will be seeing you later on today for our last activity of the day, which is baking oatcakes and cheese. How exciting! So, I'll see you in the kitchen ready to go later on. Bye!